get back to Hogwarts. We gotta get back to school. We gotta get back to Hogwarts, where everything is magical. Back to witches and wizards and magical beasts, to goblins and ghosts and to magical feasts. It's all that I love and it's all that I need at Hogwarts, Hogwarts.
Dumbledore, what is the magic of sound? I don't understand, Harry. What do you need to know? I need to know the magic of sound so I can defeat the Dark Lord.
He's bringing us through music now!
When I rule the world, I'll plant flowers.
Well, Harry, my dear boy, sound isn't magic, it's physics.
What's physics? It's a type of science. Science is something muggles use to explain magic.
That's right, Hermione.
What?
I teach potions. Muggles call that chemistry. Sound travels in waves.
Waves? Like the ocean? No, Ron, not like the ocean.
If not like the ocean, then like at Quidditch games, right? Not quite, Harry. Sound is a longitudinal wave. What's a longitudinal wave?
A longitudinal wave is a wave that goes from high pressure to low pressure. The high pressure areas are called compressions and the low pressure areas are called refractions.
Very good, Hermione. I still don't get it. It's a wave that moves like this.
Ah!
Your mom moves like that.
Oh, I called you out.
Oh, I get it now. Why didn't you explain it like that, Hermione?
Yeah, Hermione, even I understand now. You guys are so mean. If it weren't for me, you two would have never gotten through your classes. Dumbledore, her voice is so high-pitched. How do you make it lower?
It's simple, Ronald. Lower the frequency. Increase the wavelength? You could run away. Why would you run away help? Why would running away help? Because of the Dobby effect.
The Dobby effect?
Pay attention, Ronald. Dobby, there are free socks at the end of the hallway. See? The Dobby effect.
Dumbledore, that's actually called the Doppler effect. In case you didn't notice, boys, the Doppler effect is that an object sounds higher pitched when coming towards you and lower pitched when it moves farther away.
My mood has the opposite effect. I'm happier the farther away from me you get.
Dumbledore, why does Hermione get so loud when she's angry?
Because she's a woman.
It is not because I'm a woman. Loudness happens because when the amplitude of a wave compresses, the compression goes up. Loudness is measured in decibels. 10 decibels is barely audible. 110 decibels is very painful.
No, it's definitely because you're a woman. It's so loud I heard you in the dungeon.
Hey Dumbledore, how come some times sound sounds so slow and other times it sounds so fast?
Well, Mr. Weasley, that is because sound moves fastest through solid objects, moderately fast through liquids, and slowest through gas. Why? Because the molecules in a solid are very close together. The molecules in a liquid are slightly farther apart. And the molecules in gas are very apart.
I still don't get it.
Come closer and I'll show you.
Oh, this is painful.
See how fast it was? Now move a little apart. Now let's move even farther apart. I'm a solid, liquid, and a gas.
Did you really have to push us like that?
God, her voice is resounding in my head. Why is it doing that? Resonance. My dear sweet Harry, resonance is not complicated. Resonance is a standing wave. In order for the wave to reflect at the end of the correct frequency, it must hit the end of the tube at either a node or an antinode. I'm only friends with antinodes. Kids just say no to nodes. Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Uh-huh. Wait, guys, this is the most complicated thing he's explained, and you two just understood it.
Hermione, I'm Harry Potter, boy who lived. I'm not an idiot, and Ron is my best friend. I'm not going to be a good friend with a stupid person.
Yeah, but...
Come on, Hermione, don't you want to defeat the Dark Lord?
Yes, but...
Then let's do this. Thank you, Dumbledore. We're ready to fight. No problem, young Harry. No problem at all. Come on, guys, let's go.
Yeah!
We must unite so we can fight. Turn the battle around. Time's running out. It's time to shout.